Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hey you positive one. My name is Shruti, and here on this channel I love exploring psychology, human behavior and motivational stories. If you find these concepts as fascinating as I do, you are in the right place. I would really appreciate if you could subscribe. It's a simple click but a huge support for me. Now, in today's video, I want to talk about a really interesting psychological phenomenon called the Pygmalion effect. This is the idea that other people's expectation about us can actually influence how we perform. And when you really think about it, this happens in our lives more often than we realize. Let me put it simply. The Pygmalion effect is the psychological phenomenon where higher expectations lead to improved performance and low expectation can lead to poorer performance. In other words, if someone believes in you and they expect you to succeed, you are more likely to rise to that belief. But if some people doubt you or constantly expect you to fail, sometimes you end up fulfilling that expectation too. It's like a self-fulfilling prophecy. Now, you might wonder, why is it called the Pygmalion effect? The name comes from an ancient Greek myth. Pygmalion was a sculptor who created a statue of a woman so beautiful that he fell in love with it. He believed in it so strongly, with so much expectation and passion, that the goddess brought the statue to life. That story a metaphor. When you strongly believe in someone's potential, you can actually help bring it to life. And in psychology, this concept became famous through research in the 1960s. Here is where it gets really fascinating. Psychologists Robert Rosenthal and Lenore Jacobson conducted an experiment in a school. They told teachers that some students in their class had been identified as intellectual bloomers, meaning these students were expected to show extraordinary academic growth that year. Now, here is the twist. Those students weren't actually special in any way, they were randomly chosen. But at the end of the year, the results shocked everyone. The so called intellectual bloomers had actually performed significantly better than their peers. Why? Because the teacher's expectation shaped the way they interacted with those students, giving them more encouragement, more attention, and more opportunities to grow. And the students, in turn, rose to meet those expectations. That's the Pygmalion effect in action. Now, let's step out of the classroom and into real life because this happens everywhere. Think about the workplace. If a manager believes in their team, expects them to do great work, and shows trust, employees often rise to the challenge. But if a manager constantly doubts the team and expects failure, motivation drops and performance suffers. Or think about parenting. Children often grow into the expectations their parents set for them. When parents believe their children is capable, smart, and hardworking, kids internalize those beliefs. But when children are labeled as lazy or not good enough, sadly, they might start living down to those expectations. The beauty of this effect is that it shows just how powerful encouragement and belief can be. A teacher's words, a boss's trust, or a parent's faith, or even a friend's support can literally change how someone can perform. Sometimes all a person needs is just one person to say, I know you can do it, and suddenly they do. But here is the flip side. Just as positive expectations lift us, negative expectations can drag us down. This is sometimes called the golem effect. If someone constantly underestimated, criticized, or made to feel like they will fail, those low expectations can become a reality. And that's why it is so important to be aware of the expectations we set, both for ourselves and for others. So, how can you use this knowledge? Number one, set high expectations for yourself. Don't sell yourself short. If you believe you're capable of growth, your brain and behavior will align with that belief. Second, surround yourself with people who believe in you. The company you keep matters. Spend time with people who lift you up, not those who constantly doubt you. 3. Set positive expectations for others. Whether you are a parent, a teacher, a manager, or just a friend, your expectations can shape someone else's reality. Believe in others, encourage them, and watch them grow. 4. Be mindful of labels. Avoid labeling people negatively. Once someone start believing that label, it can limit them. So, the Pygmalion effect teaches us something profound. We don't just grow from within, we also grow through the expectations and beliefs of the people around us. When someone believes in us, it lights a spark, and when we believe in others, we can light that spark for them. So, next time when you interact with someone, a colleague, a child, or a friend, remember your expectations are powerful. You might be shaping their future without even realizing it. I hope this video gave you a new perspective on how expectations shape performance. If you enjoyed learning about the Pygmalion effect, make sure to subscribe to HEU Positive One for more psychological insights, motivational stories, and self improvement tips. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.